If you want to learn how to pad your hip, you want to keep on watching this video until the end. First is to draft out your skirt pattern, the front and the back, and then cut it out on your lining and the actual fabric. Now, if you are cutting out your pattern, do not add any form of side seam allowance. But on your lining, you're going to be adding your side seam allowance. So here I made use of 2 inches. Also on the actual fabric, you'll be adding your side seam allowance as well. But right on the hip, you're going to add up the width of the foam which you're going to be using. Here is my laminated foam, and the size of this foam is 0.25 inch. Okay, this means that I'm going to be increasing my hip by 1 inch. Remember, we are cutting on fold, so 0.25 for the front is half an inch, and then for the back is half an inch, making it 1 inch. I hope you understand. And I'm going to be adding this only on the hip. Okay, now let's go ahead and draft this out. So from the waistline, I'm going to come down by 1 inch, and from the knee point, I'll be going up by 2 inches. Now after this, on the hip point, I'll be going in by 5 inches, and then I'll connect these 3 points together using my French curve. So you can see the part of the French curve I'm using. I'll connect like this and equally connect it to the waistline. Now after connecting it, you want to take out any form of sharp curve, and then you go ahead and cut it out. After cutting this out, I will draw an arrow indicating the upper part and the down part. You can see I've written it down as well. I'm going to take it aside so that we can do that for the back as well. Now from the waistline, come down by 1 inch. From the knee point, go up by 2 inches, and then just after the zipper allowance, go in by 1 inch, because you don't want your hip part to extend to the zipper allowance, because you're going to be fixing the zip, right? Now from the knee point again, I'm going to be going up by 3 inches. If you can't do this, from the waist, go down by about 15 inches. That is your lower butt. And then from this point, go in by 5 to 4 inches. So I'm using 4 inches. You can as well use 5 inches. Now after this, I'm going to connect these 4 dots together. So from this point to the knee, and then from that 4 inch to the zipper area, and then to the waistline. Can you see? Now after this looks a little bit too pointy, so I'm going to curve it out, like blend it properly. Now after this, next I'll go ahead and cut it out. And then after cutting it out, I will label it. Okay, so I'll put up an arrow indicating the upper part and the down part as well. Now after this, I'm going to cut it out using my foam. So fold your foam into 2 so that you can cut out both sides at once. Okay, so the back, you're going to be cutting out 2 pieces, and then the front, you're going to be cutting out 2 pieces. Okay, now after cutting it out, we'll go ahead and also label it on this foam. Please do not forget to label it before removing your pattern, because if you do that, you might mistaken the upper parts to the down parts. Okay, it can be very confusing. So now before I remove this pattern, I'm going to label. You can see I have the up, the down part, and also I will use an arrow to indicate this part, that part of the hip. Okay, so I'll repeat the same thing for the other side, and then I'll bring in the front so that we also cut it out. All right, now you guys remember I'm using a laminated foam for this, so the hip might not come out very well. Now if you want your hip to be that padded, you want to use a furniture foam, like about 1 inch. You can even double it. Some people double theirs. Okay, so this is just for the sake of tutorial. That's why I made use of this particular laminated foam. But if you are doing yours, make sure you use a furniture foam. You can make use of the 1/2 inch or the 1 inch. Okay, now after this, I'll go ahead and use my needle and thread and stitch this together. I am done stitching it. Now I am fixing it on my lining. Then after that, I'll go ahead and turn it out with my skirts.